Welcome to Lost to the Curve. Today we're going to cut a circle from a piece of plywood. I've devised this little docking system for the jigsaw, and it's just simply two side pieces, front piece to stop the saw from going through this piece of wood, and on the reverse just put a pivot point where we want the center of the circle to be. So there's the radius, diameter. I've got it at 4 inches, so hopefully we can get an 8-inch circle out of this piece of plywood here. And I simply glued all this together. And you can glue your one side piece on to the front, stop, put your saw in there. Now we have glue, assuming we have glue on both sides of each piece of wood there, and clamp them down, get your saw in there. That'll just give you an accurate place of where to put your third piece. And we're also going to have glue on both sides. Clamp it down, wipe any excess glue off of your saw, and in 24 hours that thing will be ready to roll. And you'll also need this pivot point. I just cut off a piece of old fence wire. You can use a nail, cut the head off, and got the same thing. You will need to put a pivot hole in your workpiece. Leave the face with no hole, so just about halfway through. And place the point in there. And of course, don't plug in your saw until you're ready to use it. As with all power equipment, and any tool for that matter, be sure and read the instructions and follow and understand instructions. So, let's see if we can get this done. There you have it. Semi-accurate piece of circular wood for whatever purpose you need circular wood for. I happen to come about this by needing to have a stool, seat for the stool, and I devised this little jig. I don't know if I invented it, but it seems to work for me, and you may only use it once or twice in your whole woodworking career, but came in handy for me. If you have a better solution, like I like to say, for every woodworking solution, there's another woodworker with a better idea. So send me your comments, replies, video response. It's all welcome. So y'all take care. Thanks.